What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of 7 Dwarfs Mine Train at Disney's Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. This is one of the best rides and one of the hardest rides to get on because the line's always the longest. It's a very fun ride, has very nostalgic feel to it, and it matches just a Magic Kingdom as a whole. It is one of my favorite rides at Magic Kingdom. Thanks for your suggestions of this video. If there's any rides or any videos you want to see in the future of this channel, go ahead and comment. Really appreciate you guys always watching the channel. If you did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.